Disassembly tips. Ensure that you take the following precautions when disassembling a unit. Label each cable as you remove it, noting its position and routing. This will make replacing the cables much easier and will ensure that the cables are rerouted properly. Keep all screws with the component removed, if applicable. The screws used in each component can be of different thread sizes and lengths. Using the wrong screw in a component could damage the unit. If the unit contains light-sensitive components such as motherboard, memory module, CPU, hard disk drive, graphic card, store the component in its original ESD packaging to avoid damage. Please read the description below for more details about tools used to removal and replacement, static electricity.
Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, and hard disk drive assembly. Removal. Important: make careful note of the position of the hard disk drive brackets on the hard disk drive for later replacement. Disconnect the hard disk drive adapter cable from the hard disk drive. Remove the hard disk drive brackets from the hard disk drive. Place the hard disk drive in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the hard disk drive from the static dissipative bag and position the hard disk drive so that the side with the label is face down. Place the hard disk drive brackets onto the hard disk drive. Connect the hard disk drive adapter cable into the hard disk drive.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.